Ho tima di-generator tse tharo tse fehla motlakase seteisheneng sa Kusile ho tlo fokotsa bokgoni ba Eskom ba ho fehla motlakase dikgwedi tse 12. Mekga ya bohanyetsi e re ho lokela ho latelwe mehato e matla ya ho fedisa kimollo ya motlakase.
In order to end load shedding, we need to take bold steps. In the immediate short term, we need to declare a state of disaster around Eskom and the electricity sector. This will free up disaster relief funding and bypass regulatory impediments to speed up the rollout of new generation.
The solution to this dire situation is not easy nor quick. We need to invest in electricity infrastructure, and no power station should currently be decommissioned, such as is currently happening.
Jamal would like to call on the President to declare it a matter of state security. It cannot be that the country is held ransom by criminals, and that is what has been happening at Eskom.
Afrika Borwa e thefutswe ke mokgahlelo wa botshelela wa kimollo ya motlakase ka makgetlo a mabedi nakong e ka tlase dikgwedi tse tsheletseng.